Have you guys ever seen these? Some of you might. You know the little plastic soldiers we used to get when we were kids? Well, this is the Chinese version. And my daughter taught in China for 2 years, way back, probably 15 years ago now. And she brought these home for me. And a couple of them have had issues. They fell off the windowsill where I keep them. I probably knocked them off, you know how it is. So I'm just gluing this guy back together again. He's in bad shape. His head's off. His gun came off. I don't even know what this is. So let's see. This is the last of my good multi-purpose crazy glue, instant stick. So let's see if we can get him to instant stick onto these legs. There we go. Okay, I'm just going to hold that. It takes about 2 or 3 minutes. I'm sure it's not expensive plastic. There we go. Gonna just add a little more goo. And I'll just hold that for a little bit. Alright. And we'll put his head on after. I felt bad, you know, she brought these all the way home from China, and they've been decorated in my garage windowsill for a long time. Got a couple right there. We got the Simpsons, little John Deere tractor, and they go right there in that gap. So I will let you know when I get this glued, and we'll continue on. Okay, this is pretty funny. Look at his pants are falling down. And I was looking around for this piece to where it went, and I finally figured it out. I don't know quite what's going on, but it goes here and here, and here, and here. You'll see in just a minute. Gotta get some more goo. Hopefully got enough goo to fix these guys. Good. Has anybody ever used crazy glue and not glued your fingers together? Okay, we're just going to let him sit like that. Oh, I see. He's got his pants stuck on a stick or a fence post or something. I have never really checked that out before. Not until he broke. Okay, let's stand him up somewhere. Now, how's our buddy doing over here? With the broken legs, he's doing okay. Now we got one piece left, and that's his gun. He's got kind of a cannon on his shoulder, right? And we're going to just drop a little bit of glue on there. We're going to have to lay him down now. I don't quite know how. Are you in? Yes, you are. And then we'll put a little glue on the end of the cannon that's broken, and my 5 little soldiers will be back in the windowsill. I think it just goes on like that. I think it just goes on like that. This could be a difficulty. Nope, it should go on like that. So now I just need to get him to lay down and put this straight up. There it is. Okay. Okay, buddy, you gotta help me. We might even use another soldier to help him out. That might do it. Okay. As you can tell, this isn't the first time I've glued these guys together. So that'll be it for the soldiers until they heal. Yes, they live to fight another day. Let's put them back on guard. There we go. Oh, Lisa's fallen over. Okay. Attention, everybody. That's great.